Do you remember there was an anime TV channel called Animax? Hey guys, my name is Sagar, and in today's video, we are gonna find out why Animax disappeared from Indian television. Now, to begin with, the journey of both Animax and anime in India had been full of ups and downs. Though Animax India has given up, anime is still trying to become a part of the mainstream entertainment in India. So, as you guys know, Animax was the only TV channel which was completely dedicated to anime. This was the only channel in India to simulcast anime in the same week and sometimes even on the same day as Japan. However, around 3 years ago, on 18th April 2017, Animax India was officially closed and it was taken over by Sony Ye, which is a kids TV channel.
You serious? Pay you for what? Standing there?
Animax India was Animax Asia's Indian division, and Animax Asia's owner is Sony Networks, and that's why its replacement was Sony Ye. Animax was launched in India on 4th of July 2004, back when its brand ambassador was Irfan Pathan. It was being broadcasted from Singapore by Animax Asia, and it was the first ever animation channel that targeted the audience between the age group of 15 to 25 और ना कि 4 से 5 साल के छोटे बच्चे. After launching the channel on July 2004 in India, they started 12 hours of Hindi feed that targeted young kids and teens between the age group of 7 to 14, and it had planned to launch Hindi and English language audio tracks as well. But we are Indians और अच्छी चीज़ें हमें कभी पसंद आती ही नहीं, इसलिए डब करके एनिमैक्स को फ़ायदे के जगह नुकसान हुआ और उन्हें हिंदी फीड रोकनी पड़ी क्योंकि उन्हें टीआरपी मिली ही नहीं. And for this reason, from 15th August 2006, Animax entirely shut down its Hindi feed and kept the English one and changed its target audience between the age group of 15 to 24. After that, in the year 2007, to make its survival even easier, Animax started airing live-action content, movies like Spider-Man 2, Hellboy, and Kung Fu Hustle. On 4th May 2010, Animax India rebranded its logo along with Singapore, and it became the first channel to simulcast ultra-popular series Supernatural. But still, they couldn't get enough audience because Indians were busy watching अगर आज भी मेन स्ट्रीम इंडियन टीवी चैनल्स पे सुपरनैचुरल्स जैसे शोज टेलीकास्ट होते तो ना जाने इंडियन टेलीविजन आज कहां पहुंच चुका होता. Well, returning back to the topic, in 2012, Animax stopped airing such shows and reverted to its old logo and focused only on anime. It was the time when YouTube was not popular in India, phones were still evolving, and people didn't have good internet connection, and that's why anime culture was not that popular in India. Gradually, a time came when Animax wasn't even able to pay the carriage fees to the service providers. This is because of low TRP and lack of advertisements on Animax. Apparently, the service providers in India thought that Animax is a bad influence for little kids, and they all started to ban Animax from their listings. And finally, on 18th April 2017, Animax ceased broadcasting in India on regular television and it was replaced by Sony Ye. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये चैनल तो कोई नहीं देखता होगा, पर वो जो 2 से 5 साल के बच्चे हैं ना, वो दिन भर बैठ के सोनी ये और पोगो देखते हैं. Somewhat like this.
तेरे बिना मेरी सुबह नहीं चलती, तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती.
So all I want to say is, Animax tried its best to make anime popular in India. उससे जितना हो सकता था ना उसने किया, पर फिर भी उसकी दाल नहीं गली, और उसके पीछे का जो सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है वो है lack of mature audience in India. Now, the golden era of Animax is long gone. and I don't think there is any chance for the revival of Animax in India. I wish that someday a new channel gets launched in India which would bring back these old nostalgic anime shows back to Indian television. So that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching. But before doing so, let me know your views regarding this video in the comments section. Share this video as much as you can. You can follow me on social media, the handle is right here in front of you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly content ahead. Until then, take care, goodbye.